guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So I saw another YouTuber, her YouTube name is I Am Treya, but her name is Treya, and I saw her do a Instagram followers control my natural hair routine, and her hair came out super cute, and I was like, this is such a cool video concept. I've been seeing a lot of people do it for like Instagram followers control my day, control my makeup routine, but I haven't seen it for like natural hair. So of course I had to do it as well. I asked you guys on my Instagram stories what products and everything I should use for my natural hair routine. So the results are in and I am just going to pretty much get started. Now I probably don't even need to redo my hair. Sorry about the background, there's people working outside, but this is a 5-day wash and go from that We Dad video I did like 5 days ago. So it doesn't need to be redone, but I really wanted to do this video. So let's just get right into it. So on Instagram, I asked if I should use the VO5 Passion Fruit Smoothie Shampoo or the Urban Hydration Honey Growth and Repair Shampoo. I haven't used the VO5 shampoo yet. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and then I have used the Urban Hydration once, but 76% of you guys chose Urban Hydration, and I was just like, okay, cool. I already know I like this shampoo, so this Urban Hydration Honey Shampoo is literally so amazing. It's super creamy, and as you can see, it gives an amazing lather. That's something I always look for in shampoos. It's very moisturizing, so it's not going to strip your hair, and it just makes it feel nice and clean and soft. So I'm super glad you guys picked this for me. So next, I asked you guys what conditioner I should use, and again, I chose something from VO5, their Passion Fruit Smoothie Conditioner, or this new product from Dollar Curl Club, their Hydrating Detangling Conditioner. And this is a brand new line. They actually sent me their entire line, so I was super excited to try this product, and it got 66%. So let's see if it is good. Now, this conditioner is a very lightweight, creamy conditioner made with olive and mango, and it smells like a light scent of mango. It smells really good. So putting it onto my hair, it was so moisturizing, you guys. I was not expecting it just because of how light the consistency was, and I haven't tried this before yet. This is my first time using this product. So moisturizing. I was like really happy you guys chose this. Now, I did also ask you guys if I should finger detangle or use my wide tooth comb. 53% of you said finger detangle, and this made it so easy to finger detangle. It had amazing slip, so I've been like really more into finger detangling anyways, so I was kind of glad you guys chose that for me. Yeah, it was literally a breeze, and you can see I did not lose much hair at all, so definitely love this product. So once I rinsed my hair out, it was just left so soft. You guys, I definitely recommend you to try that product out. But now for deep conditioning, I asked you guys if I should use the Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask or the Creme of Nature Strengthening Hair Mask. And this was neck and neck the entire night, but Creme of Nature won with 56%. And I was a little mad because I really wanted to try the Texture ID, but you guys know I love Creme of Nature and I haven't used this product before. It is so creamy, like it does not make sense how creamy it is. Putting it onto my hair, instantly it was like 10 times the moisture I had with that conditioner. Just so, look, I'm so dramatic. Just so moisturizing, and I don't even know why I was surprised. You guys know I love Creme of Nature products. I have literally all of their products, just haven't gotten to use them all. So yeah, this definitely is so moisturizing. If you have dry hair, you could definitely benefit from this. So I had my curls just feeling so soft. I used it on both sides and I left it in while I showered, and then this is what my hair is looking like once I rinsed it out. You guys, my hair is so freaking soft, like and just look at how defined it is without any product. I just rinsed off the Creme Masque. Oh my god. Just look at this, like, just look at this. Look at how defined this is. Okay, so I'm gonna do what I typically do. I like to take 2 of my scrunchies, put my hair, oh, I don't want my boot to show, put my hair in a ponytail. Yep, right, Malia? Put it in a ponytail. I just wrap them around one time, just like that. Then I have my microfiber towel. No, you towel this. And I got this one from TJ Maxx. They come in like a little pack. If you go to their if you go to their like skin and spa area, because I used to work there. Okay, go back in. Where's your tablet? Yeah, do it now. It's charged. But this is what it's looking like out of my microfiber towel. It has so much definition, you guys. Like, this is really crazy how defined it still looks. But I asked you guys if I should use the Hairfinity Botanical Oil on my scalp or the Mielle New Rosemary Mint scalp oil. And of course, you guys picked Mielle. Mielle had 55% and Hairfinity had 45%. So it was pretty close, but I'm really glad you guys picked this because I really wanted to try it, so.
I put this on my scalp because I do deal with dry, itchy scalp. And Hairfinity is actually my favorite one to use on my scalp. So, it has that like peppermint smell and it kind of feels cool on my scalp, so I really like that.
So now for styling, I asked you guys what leave-in conditioner I should use, and it was between this Miche Beauty, it's called their Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. I've used this once, but I haven't really reviewed it for you guys. And then this As I Am Leave-In Conditioner, and I've never used As I Am besides their co-wash, and everyone's always asking me to try them, so I got a little sample size. And As I Am won with 63%, while Miche Beauty only had 37%. So I'm gonna use this one because I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Okay, so I asked you guys if you wanted me to flat twist my hair or do a rod set, and like 55% of you guys said flat twist out, and 45 said rod set. So I haven't done a flat twist out in like forever, so I'm super excited. Daddy's crazy.
Okay, so as usual, I'm going to spray my hair with water. This isn't going to be a dry flat twist out. I want to wet it. And then I'm going to use my wet tip comb and detangle it. I don't finger detangle when I'm about to style, you guys, so.
Okay, so this is what my hair looks like with just water, but now I'm going to use that As I Am a leave-in conditioner, and it has like coconut, sugarcane, green tea, so. Okay. Oh, it's really lightweight. I wasn't expecting that. So, feels good. Going to not bad. I feel like this would probably be more of a moisturizer for me rather than quiet Milena, rather than a like styler. I'm at a little bit more. Let's see how I feel about it. I'm not sure. it's not bad. I don't think I'm in love with it. The curl definition's okay. It's more frizzy in person than it looks on the camera, but yeah, let's just go to my next product. Yeah. Okay, for my styling cream, I asked you guys if I should use the Camille Rose Naturals Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. I haven't used this, but my friend, she told me that this is like literally her favorite product. And then this new Texture ID styling cream. So I was hoping you guys picked the Texture ID styling cream because it's new and I've been seeing a lot of people use it. But 75% of people voted for this. Of course, Camille Rose always wins. So I'm gonna add this to this. But before I do that, I just realized 54% of you guys told me to do a side part. And I have a middle part. So I gotta change this to a side part. Smells like frosting or like cake batter. That's usually how a lot of Camille Rose Naturals products smell. This is made with aloe vera and macadamia oil. It's supposed to nourish your scalp, give you defined light hold, blah blah blah. So let's see if I like this. I'm gonna start off with a little bit.
Now this I like. Like there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it.
I don't know if I really like that leave-in conditioner, but I'm just gonna keep using it just for the sake of the entire video. So, oh my god, this feels... Okay, I love this stuff, so I'm about to shut up now and flat twist it, you guys. Look at my hair. Do you guys see that? Okay, so these are what my twists are looking like. Some of them are still wet because I just did them. So I'm gonna let it dry overnight, you guys. I could sit under my dryer, but I'll just dry it overnight and then I'll be back in the morning. Alright, so it's the next morning and I'm taking just a couple of drops of that Mielle Organics oil and rubbing it onto my hair just to help reduce a little bit of frizz, and then I went ahead and started to unravel my hair. Now, that first twist, actually, when I unraveled it, had a little bit of frizz, so I was like really scared to unravel the rest of my hair, but this is what the rest of my hair looks like unraveled. I wasn't mad at it. It was very defined. Some areas did have a little bit of frizz, but I actually really liked the way my hair was looking. So I just went ahead and separated my hair some more and fluffed as well, just so I can get some more volume, because when you flat twist, it tends to make it a lot more flatter than a regular twist out. So I needed my volume, and once I had my volume, I actually really loved this flat twist out. So I went ahead and used my Lovely Bees Edge Control to lay my edges. If you follow me on Instagram, then you probably see me talking about this product literally like every other day. I love it so much. It is just literally the best for my edges. And then you guys get to see the final result of my hair, and I literally love my hair. It came out so good. It's defined. It's really soft. It has a little bit of frizz, but I like it. I like that it has this kind of like fluffy type of look. I'll do a entire spin around so you guys can see, but I really enjoyed making this video. You guys know I typically, when I do my hair, I stick to one product line. So using all these different products, and my hair actually came out really good. I'm super happy. All the products, everything will be down in the description box if you guys were curious or interested in them. And let me know if I should do another video like this, because I really enjoyed it. Maybe I could try a different style with some different products. Let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.